I cannot see practicing medicine without that machine today.
It is extremely accurate, it is totally non-invasive, and it is something that just helps people get well.
The heart of my practice is the biomeridian machine. It's taken me to a new level as a physician, which is where I always wanted to go.
Biomeridian is an established leader in integrative medicine, with over 3,000 of its devices now being used in clinics and offices worldwide. During the next few minutes, you're going to see a powerful new technology that will truly enhance your ability to not only quickly and accurately assess your patient's health, but arrive at an optimal patient protocol all in under 20 minutes. You are also going to see and hear from practitioners who are currently experiencing the unique benefits of this exciting technology. Our customers are reporting increased results with their patients, improving incomes, and a significant improvement in new referrals. Simply put, patient care is improving and practices are growing.
The greatest benefit of the MSA to me and the patient has been that we're able to find out what's wrong with people that are falling through the cracks and do something about it and get them feeling good.
I can't see me delivering as good or as professional level of health care without the biomeridian.
Once you know what's wrong, you apply your medical knowledge and you've got some answers. And then after they've been on the products that do balance them and they start feeling good, then they really get excited.
So, what is bioelectrical impedance measurement, commonly referred to as BIM, and what has Biomeridian done to elevate it to an entirely new level? Before we can answer that question, let me provide you a brief overview of BIM. Bioelectrical impedance measurement devices have been consistently used in medicine to non-invasively obtain information from the body for over 50 years. The most recognizable examples include devices such as EKGs, EEGs, Coulter counters, and the TransScan device, which recently received a Class 3 FDA diagnostic approval. Stated simply, these instruments measure and profile the electrical current between points on the body. The particular application of BIM used by Biomeridian began in the early 1950s from extensive studies initiated by a German medical doctor, Reinhold Voll. His research, as well as significant research since then, showed that specific points on the body had a unique and dramatically different electrical conductivity than surrounding tissue. Those unique points, which typically correlated to traditional acupuncture points, showed an electrical conductivity that was up to 20 times greater than surrounding tissue. Further work by Voll showed that in many cases, the electrical response of specific acupuncture points, which I'll refer to as acupoints, appeared to correlate to the organs and systems related to the point as noted in traditional acupuncture. From this beginning, the concept of bioelectrical impedance measurement was born. The simple process of applying a small electrical current to specific acupoints on the body and then profiling and correlating the body's resistance to that current created an exciting new tool for practitioners. During the ensuing 5 decades, numerous published articles surfaced from Stanford University, the School of Public Health, University of Hawaii, UCLA School of Medicine, USC, University of Salzburg in England, and the Environmental Health Center in Dallas, Texas, to name only a few. These articles began to fill in the scientific basis for the appropriate application of BIM testing. In late 2003, a study completed at Baylor University utilizing Biomeridian's BIM device showed that by measuring the electrical resistance of specific acupoints, the researchers were able to identify with 99.5% accuracy patients with a specific clinical indicator, chronic inflammatory demyelinating polyneuropathy, from the negative control group. A breakthrough study that once again solidified and supported Voll's original findings. We encourage you to explore our website at biomeridian.com, where we have put together a substantial review of scientific literature related to BIM and its application. However, even with this impressive beginning, unique challenges remained in the application of BIM technology that kept it from attaining global acceptance. That something was the difficulty experienced by practitioners in getting the raw electrical data from the body. This difficulty was due to the complex nature and manual process of applying the traditional probe to the acupoint, which had been used with little improvement since the 1950s. Utilization of BIM testing with the traditional probe required 3 to 6 months of training and practice to become proficient. Even then, measurements were often inaccurate and unrepeatable. In late 2004, biomeridian truly revolutionized the BIM industry with the introduction of the patent-pending EPIC probe, the first and only computer-controlled probe that reduced or eliminated the variables associated with BIM testing. The results? Accurate and repeatable measurements every time, with training reduced to hours, not months. What's more, a complete BIM assessment could be completed in less than 20 minutes.
The EPIC probe is an automated piece of technological genius.
I learned how to run the biomeridian machine just in the weekend training, but within 2 weeks I felt pretty confident of using that probe and having really accurate readings.
All they need to do is put a light amount of pressure on. The EPIC will do all the rest, and you'll get a perfect, exact, reproducible reading every single time.
With the introduction of the highly accurate and repeatable EPIC, several leading manufacturers of nutritional supplements, homeopathic products, and herbal remedies soon envisioned a unique opportunity to combine the power of biomeridian's patient assessment with the specific product protocols their scientists would recommend for that patient's current condition. The outcome was the creation of BioRep, a patent-pending software tool that analyzes and profiles a patient's point reading data, then matches and presents the manufacturer's recommended product protocols designed to optimize product selections for each individual patient, all in under 20 minutes. Now, before showing you the BIM device in operation, I'd like to share with you an IRB-approved clinical study performed in early 2006, designed to test the accuracy and reproducibility of the EPIC probe. The study involved 22 male and female healthy volunteers over age 18. A total of 1,916 measurements were taken and retaken on subjects over a 2-day period. The study results showed that the average variance on the device was 1.5 on a 100-point scale. The reliability index for the study was 0.992, exceeding the FDA's gold standard. The conclusion of the study was that biomeridian bioelectrical impedance measurements with the EPIC probe are sufficiently reproducible and sensitive to support BioRep testing profiles for supplementation. Now that we've covered the basics of BIM, it's time for a quick overview of a typical office visit using the EPIC probe and biomeridian's newest BIM platform, the Vantage. Incidentally, all of biomeridian's BIM devices have FDA 510K Class 2 clearance and have been CE marked for the European Union. biomeridian's easy-to-use, non-invasive system guides the clinician through the measurement of the 60 most commonly used acupoints. Energy readings above the normal range are generally associated with stress in the corresponding organ or system. Readings below normal generally correlate to a weakened condition. Once the readings are complete, the BioRep analysis software creates this 6-phase chart by taking the data from the 60 individual point measurements and profiling those readings against over 600 specific meridian profiles. Across the top of the chart are 6 columns representing the degree to which the profiled systems are imbalanced or their deviation from norm, with the acupoint systems listed on the left. Once the analysis is complete, the practitioner reviews the chart in conjunction with all patient history and determines the desired area of focus. The practitioner then simply clicks on the box that matches the area of focus to see the recommended products based on the point testing, the profiling, and the specific area of focus that has been chosen. The product recommendation screen pops up, showing the most statistically relevant products for that individual patient. The products are given in order to address the desired area of focus while maximizing residual benefit to the body. The clinician then reviews the products and checks the boxes of the desired products for the patient. This process can be done for any number of areas by clicking back to the 6-phase chart and performing the same process for other body systems. The clinician then selects the patient and office reports that he wishes to print. The patient is then given their report results, including recommended products and dosage. Can you see the benefits to your patients? A painless, accurate, and visually informative assessment to assist you in determining the appropriate course of action for them. It also establishes the baseline from which to measure patient progress since their last visit.
Now that I've gone to a physician who believes in this technology, I can't go backwards. I can't go any other way because I really have seen the results.
Nothing's going to keep me from coming over here and being tested on this machine twice a month, because this machine tells me the state of my body, and that's what I want to know. What's in balance and what's not in balance.
And I can say thank you to this machine. I can say thank you to the doctor and to these supplements.
The difference, I feel, is incredible. We have answers now. We're seeing results now. We're healthier, we're happier, and not only that, I just continue to see more improvement, and I feel like finally now we can start to be a normal family.